Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will see how to turn off CPU overclocking in just 1 minute on Windows. First, head over to Search and type in Control Panel, then click on it. Once you are here, where it says View By, you want to set it to large icons. This makes it easier to find all the settings. Then you want to select Power Options. Now, whichever power plan is selected, you want to click on Change Plan Settings. After that, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Now a new window will open. Here you want to scroll down until you find Processor Power Management. Double-click on it to expand. Then expand Minimum Processor State and Maximum Processor State. Now you want to set both of them to 99%. This is important because setting it to 99% disables CPU Turbo Boost, which is a form of overclocking. This helps reduce CPU temperature and prevents unnecessary high-performance spikes. After that, click on OK to save the changes. Now move to the second step. Again, go to Search and type Control Panel, then click on it. Make sure View By is set to large icons again. Then click on Programs and Features. Here you will find all installed programs on your system. Now look for any overclocking software such as MSI Afterburner or any similar tool. If you find any, click on it and then click on Uninstall. These applications can force your CPU or GPU to run at higher speeds, which may cause overheating or instability. After uninstalling, close everything. Then restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.